Hey everyone, if you're new to Asana and want to organize your work properly, creating a project is the first step. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a project in Asana from scratch. First, sign in to your Asana account and go to your main dashboard. This is where you'll see your existing projects, tasks, and workspace. Next, click the Create button, usually located in the top corner, and choose Project from the menu. Now select how you want to start. You can choose a blank project, use a pre-built template, or import data from another tool if needed. After that, enter a project name and choose the team or workspace where the project should be created. You can also set the privacy level depending on who should have access. Next, choose a project layout. Asana offers list, board, timeline, and calendar views, so pick the one that best matches your workflow. After that, click Create Project. Your new project will open immediately, and you can start adding tasks, sections, due dates, and team members. So to keep things organized, create sections like To Do, In Progress, and Completed, then add your tasks under the appropriate section. Finally, invite teammates if you're collaborating with others, and start tracking progress directly inside the project. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created a project in Asana. Now you're ready to organize tasks, collaborate with your team, and manage work much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.